A smarter way to clean a pool. Welcome back to Techstination. I'm Fred Fishkin. Joining us from a company called Aiper, A-I-P-E-R, is General Manager Andres Gomez. Hi, Andres.
Hi, Fred. How are you doing?
Terrific. Great to see you. And for folks who aren't familiar with Aiper, give us a little bit of background, an overview here.
Of course. So Aiper, we've been in the pool cleaning industry for a few years already. We started developing robots in 2017. And nowadays we are the #1 cordless robotic pool cleaner brand in the United States. We have been selling our lineup of Seagull products, and today we're here to show you our latest series our latest Seagull series launch or lineup, which is the one that we are launching for 2023.
And that is called the Seagull Pro?
Yeah, Seagull Pro is our flagship unit, right? So we have 4 units. One is the Seagull SE. That's an entry-level model. We have Seagull Plus, the Seagull Pro, which is our flagship unit, and an Elite Pro, which is also a wall climbing pool robotic cleaner.
Well, cleaning a pool can be a real chore, but you're saying here that it doesn't have to be. To step us through here, how your technology works.
That's right. So we develop robots that are fully cordless, so they are battery powered. And right now I would like to show you our flagship unit. So let me turn around the camera and show you a little bit more of how it works. So this is the Seagull Pro. It's nowadays the most powerful cordless pool robotic cleaner in the market. The reason why is that is because it comes with 4 motors. So it's the first quad motor cordless pool robotic cleaner that exists, right? How it works is that it has 2 of the motors for suction. So what it does is to give it much more a better power and better grip when it's climbing walls, and 2 more motors for the wheels. This helps with the traction, so it's basically a 4-wheeler, giving the advantage to the robot that it can move up to 90 degrees or even 180 degrees just to turn around on itself. The second use for the motors are for the PVC cleaning rollers. What this does is helps the robot to clean not only the water line when it's cleaning, and I will show you later on how it works in a test, but also the wall. While it's climbing the wall, it's also cleaning the wall. So we are one of the few solutions that can say that can 100% that can do a cleaning that is 100% of the surfaces of the pool.
And this navigates on its own through a pool? Tell me how it does it.
That's right. Yeah. So it's we develop a technology called smart navigation technology or wave path technology. What it does is that the robot, when it's first is deep in the pool, it will choose a starting point on the side of a wall, and then from there it will map the shape of the pool. And once it does that, it will go and do a kind of an S pattern. So it's the only robot that can actually do a pattern that is preset in the robot by default, and it's not a random cleaning.
Very interesting. And this runs for how long on a charge?
Yeah, so for the Seagull Pro, it can clean up to 3 hours, so 180 minutes, on 1 hour and a half charging. So we have fast charging on this device.
And is this designed that people can use the pool while this is working, or they should be out of the pool?
That's right. So one of the benefits of having a cordless robot is that you can actually swim while the robot is working, for 2 reasons. The first one is because, of course, even if it's safe to have a corded device in the pool, like a corded robot, because of the technology allow it to do that, but we still don't want to swim with a appliances in the water, right? And the second reason is because this kind of corded devices, they have very long cables or cords, and it's very easy to get entangled on them, and then it's where it gets a little bit more dangerous. So with the cordless solution, we solve all that problems. These are 36 volts batteries, which means even if there is any kind of electricity leak, it's not going to be able to feel it. The robot will simply stop. So it's the most safest solution for that. And the lack of the cord will mean that there is nothing to be entangled with.
Really interesting. So step us through the consumer experience and how this is used.
Perfect. So this is a single node, right? So we have three different modes. So it's just turn on and choose the mode and throw the robot inside the water. So I will show you how it works in practice in the pool later. Once it's finished, the robot has auto parking technology. So when the robot is finished cleaning, it will park next to the wall, so that it's easier to pick it up from the water, so that it's not going to stop in the middle of the pool. And once the robot is out of the water, there is this trunk for the back compartment with a basket where all the dust and dirt is going to be packed. So it's just a simple cleaning of the basket. This is a 180 micron nylon filter or basket that will get most everything that is at the bottom of the pool inside here for a fast clean. So let's go for a clean. So I'm gonna throw these two robots, one to clean the walls and a second one to clean the only the floors, so that you can see exactly how it works. So as I mentioned, this is a pretty straightforward process. So we just choose what we want the robot to clean. I'm gonna put this one to clean floors only. So here it's in floor mode, and throw it to the water. So what it does is that the robot will create a vacuum with the water. And once it's filled with water, the suction engines are gonna push it down to the floor, and it's gonna start to map out the pool in the first cycle. So
almost looks like a face smiling at you as it's going down.
That's right. So there it goes. And it will start to push the rest of the air that have in, and will go to find the sides of the pool.
Does the depth matter?
Up to 3 meters, or that would be 9.9 feet. All right. So it's gonna go all the way around the pool. So it's gonna do a straight line, looking for edges, and then gonna go to try and find what is the width of the pool, going back and forth. And once it knows what is the shape of the pool, it will do a predetermined, a preset pattern around the pool to clean it 100%. Now, let's throw this one in with the wall cleaning only. So we put it on wall and then throw it in the water. So same thing, it will do the same process, but this time it's gonna climb walls to find a starting point. Again, the walls are also gonna be cleaned in a pattern, so it's not gonna be random. That way we are one of the few solutions that can assure 100% cleaning of the surface.
And can it also be set? Can a single robot be set to do both the walls and the...
That's right. Yeah. So we have 3 modes: wall only, floor only, or floor and walls. So here it goes. And we'll start to come up. You will see it cleaning the wall while it goes up, and then cleaning the water line. And given the 4 motors that I just mentioned, the quad motor capacity that it has enough power to stop at the top of the pool, clean only the water line, then go down, also stick to the wall while cleaning the wall as well. So it's a single process to clean both the wall surface and the wall waterline.
Just terrific. And I understand you captured a CES Innovation Award this year
That's right.
for the technology.
Yes, that's right. So because this been an industry, historically, this industry has been more a tool. They see this kind of robots as a tool, or these cleaning solutions as a tool. We see it more as a gadget. So think about our robots as the Roomba for the pools, because we are not just designing better robots, but making them smaller, with better capacity, better batteries, and a lot of underwater navigation technology.
If you had to summarize what it is that sets Aiper apart from your competitors in the pool cleaning space, what would you say?
Yeah, so we're to summarize Aiper, we develop and produce the most powerful cordless robotic pool cleaners in the market, in a factor of almost double or tripling the same capacity, the capacity that other robots, even with cord, could have, but with battery.
Tell us about pricing and availability.
Of course. So we have the Seagull Pro. So let's go back here. The Seagull Pro, our flagship model, it retails for $899 US. We are available on Amazon.com, of course, Aiper.com, but also Leslie's, Home Depot, Lowe's, and some other retailers around the United States. And then we have our Seagull SE, which is a robot that is developed for above ground pools. So these are cheaper pools, smaller pools, but also with a floor only cleaning capacity with the same auto parking technology. The Seagull SE is our entry level model. It retails for $299. And then in between, we have a Seagull Plus, which is the unit that we see here. This unit retails for $399.
And once again, people can find you at Aiper, AIPER.com. Congratulations on the innovations there.
Thanks a lot, Fred, for the interview, and we are happy to show every kind of new technology that we can put for underwater cleaning solutions.
Terrific. Andres Gomez, thank you for spending time with us.
Thank you, Fred.